Let's see. I just got my little knee pad there and stuff, and I'll just keep it right in, probably about like that. I can't get in the bathroom. I gotta move you slightly. I don't know how I'm gonna do this just yet. I'm trying, it's such a small bathroom, but hey, we'll try that like that, huh? Okay. Slide this out of the way. I'm just gonna concentrate on going all the way down to the tile, right? The tile floor. I can see where I stop right there. See, when you put the second coat on, the first coat soaks up more than the second coat. Okay. Well, the second coat actually, you don't have to put on as much, because depending how porous your tiles are on your first coat will depend on how much you really need for your second coat, so to speak. Does that make sense? I'm just gonna get you like that. I'll get down all the way, I guess. It's not too hard, is it? Go around there. See, I just gotta hold my brush just right, and it bends right around the corner. It bends. Even though it looks like this paintbrush won't really work that well, it does. Right down next to the tub, and then I can work from the bottom edge on up, slide it over, on up. Okay. I'm just going to do that one tile. I'll come back later and do the base, but I want to do the other edge of the tub first, you know, the other tile edge. I just give myself a good starting point here. It's right there. Okay, there. Done with that edge. Now, let's see. Might even just keep the camera. Rolling, so you can see what I have to go through to get this all done. All right. So you will know what you're up against. Well, I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna put this up on top, but it looks like I've got one drop there. That's toilet paper here. Maybe I'll clean that up. That up there. I should really have another rag I can put down there, because I don't want to scratch the toilet seat. But I happen to have something else I can put here. Okay. Let's just do that. Okay. Okay, so now I'm right up here at this point. This one, the grout is kind of inset a little bit. It's not, you know, it's old grout, it's 17 years old. I can get my paintbrush in there between the tile and the wall paint. Okay. I'm not going to re-grout it or anything. I might up at the ceiling in one area, but that'll be for another time. Get this out of my way. See, I have a little that was just a little bubble from before, and it of sealer, and it dried and it was white. And if I would have left it, you would have seen it. That was from when I put the first coat on. Okay. And you'll know if you got all the sealer on there when it changes slight color, especially on the first coat. You want to get it all. If you're going to do it, you might as well get it all. You got to get it all. See? Man, it's not hard to do. My word. It's pretty easy to save money around the house if you got your mind to it. Now this next bit, I'm just going to be working down in there. Take my my knee pad down there, and see what I can do about getting this. Oh, this one was slightly tricky because it's right up next to the toilet, but you know, I got it from before, and so that tells me I should be able to do it this time. Oh yeah, that's right. That's how I did it. Okay. Just spend some time. Don't slop through it and think you have to be done in an hour. You know, if you got an hour and you got to be somewhere, don't do this thinking you're going to be done in an hour. You want to get it all, and don't rush, okay? Last thing you want to do is rush it. Okay, I'm going to put this on the ground now so I don't whack myself. I just have to be careful not to get too much on there, because I don't want to run it on the toilet seat. And I just kind of get it on there. Okay. Getting there. I'm getting there. See, now I gotta work from the bottom up. Stuff. Run my paintbrush or sideways the other way. See, I had to put my paintbrush this way and then go up that way. You know, you just figure out how to do it and get it on there. Okay. Okay. And I got that grout line exactly where I wanted it. And there, boom. I'm done with the shower tub enclosure sealing that tile. Okay? And you can do that. It took me a while. It took me a while to get up there and get it done just right, but if you're gonna do it, don't forget to do your outside edge over here and stuff. And yes, now I'm gonna spend some time. I gotta be careful and get around. I'm gonna do the baseboard behind the toilet because that baseboard is the tile right up against the wall. That grout line at the top, and I'll do around the toilet and get it out to here. Okay, I'm not going to show you that part. You're just going to have to trust me on that. I'll do a good job. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.